Welcome back, friends. Today I am unboxing the November 2022 Planning and Stationery box from Cloth and Paper. I have been a subscriber to Cloth and Paper for over a year now, and I get the monthly subscription box. And I use it with my Louis Vuitton GM planner, and that is A5 size, so it has the 6 hole punches in it. And every month a beautiful box comes my way. This month was no different. We started off with 3 colors of drop stickers in beautiful fall colors. I love those. And then, I opened up the beautiful package. One of the things that I really loved about this month is that it came in a beautiful Cloth and Paper dust bag. I'll continue to use that bag over the many months. So the first thing I'm opening are the journal cards that came along with them. And this month's journal cards really are talking about implementation and action. And I appreciate that before the year starts, because we know we always make a bunch of resolutions, but we should gear up now for our resolutions, right? And then I'm opening the sticky note, and it has a pill at the top, and I love that because you can write in a title there, and then you can use the sticky note in the normal way. And I can never have enough of these magnetic clips. I don't know about you, but I love these. So I was really happy to see another magnetic clip in this month's box. And then again, the theme of this box is implementation. So the dashboard that they gave us this month featured implementation. And it had a quote on it from Guy Kawasaki, and I really just appreciated that. And this whole package is the implementation bundle. It had all kinds of motivational quotes and also areas for you to work your plan. You can plan your work and then work your plan. And so I appreciated these inserts. I'll be putting these right in to my planner for any of this year's tasks. I know I have a lot of projects, and I know you do too. So this is a way to write down your projects and get them done. And then this divider goes along with a full year's planner. So they gave us a full 2023 spiral bound planner, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. It has, I guess, acetate cover, and then beautiful black and white photography inside, and all of the regular things that you need monthly and weekly in your planner. I think that I'm going to use this particular planner as my social media content planner for YouTube, for Instagram, and all of my other social media channels. I can't wait to use it. And I can get my planning done for the whole year. And I'm going to use those multicolored drop stickers in this planner as well. And then this is the divider. It just stands out above the planner, and so you can keep your page and keep your mark. It's kind of like a bookmark, but it stands out above the planner so you can see where you are. A beautiful box this month. Thank you so much, Cloth and Paper. I absolutely love it. I especially love the 2023 planner and the dust bag, and of course the clip. And I know that I will get a lot of use out of everything that was in the planner. All right, friends, tell me about how you plan each month. Do you use Cloth and Paper? I highly, highly recommend. So talk to me down below. I can't wait to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching.